So in this video, I just want to do a brief introduction to product creation. So owning your own successful product or information product is really what sets 5-figure marketers apart from 6- and 7-figure marketers. The beauty of being a product creator is, as you can see in this example or diagram, once you create your product, you can really just spend most of your time just making that product better, tweaking it, making sure it converts high for affiliates, and then you've got affiliates down here to drive all the traffic and drive all the sales to you. So, if you want to send traffic to your product yourself, you can certainly do that, but when you're a product creator, then your goal is to make that product as high quality and valuable and successful as possible, and that way, once these other affiliates learn about the quality of your product or service and the fact that it converts really well, they'll willingly go out there and drive a lot of traffic to you. So you don't have to worry about the traffic problem anymore, because your affiliates are going to figure out the best traffic sources to send you to make sure that they can get paid. So you've got all these army of affiliates down here that are driving sales to you, and yes, you're only getting, you want to pay your affiliates well. So, think about paying them very well in the front end, and, you can create marketing funnels and upsells and cross sells in your whole, your sales process. And we'll get into that more in later videos. But the beautiful part about having the product is, as an affiliate, you're only getting paid for all the sales that you send, but being the product owner, you get a commission or a percentage of all of the money that's brought in. So for every single affiliate that's out there driving sales to you, yes, it's a good idea to reward them significantly for their efforts, but let's say it's a $100 product and you want to pay them $70. Well, you say, well, why would I pay them that much of the product, the price? Because you want to incentivize them to drive more traffic, because you're getting $30 for each sale, and if they drive 1,000 sales a month to you, then you're not doing any work for that. Basically, you're working on the product. So it's a great idea to have a product of your own and just focus on keeping your affiliates happy, because they're the ones that are going to be driving traffic to you. So having a product is great, and one of the benefits of having a product is it adds authority to your name in the particular niche that you're in. So it could lead to other speaking engagements and other things like that. So just having a product, being in a marketplace to where people can find it and promote it, just really does a lot of things for your success, just online and in life in general. So couple of things, you don't have to overthink things. A lot of people, when they get started, they think up all these reasons why they can't do it, or they're not the best marketer, or they're not the best copywriter. Really, what you need to do is, there's tons of examples out there already. Like, it's not 15, 20 years ago. There's so many examples now, whereas then people were the pioneers for all this, but now there's so much information, so many courses out there. I would recommend going out there and just studying other marketers' courses, buying a few products, going through their marketing funnels and upsells, and kind of seeing what their offers are, seeing what's working for them, and just reverse engineer those products and offers and the sales videos, and then model those your product after those successful products. You don't have to kind of reinvent the wheel. You can get creative once you're already making money, but if you're just getting started, you don't know where to start, go out there and reverse engineer existing successful products. And a couple places to find these successful products is ClickBank, there's JVZoo, there's ClickSure, which is just a couple of marketplaces out there. And in each of these marketplaces, it will tell you in the marketplace which products are the most successful. So you can sort these marketplaces by which are basically the products that are making the most money. So you can go out there and study those particular products based on your niche. So, I'm involved in the internet marketing, make money online niche. Maybe you're interested in that too, but you may have a different interest. So in each of these marketplaces, there are a variety of different products that are for sale. Again, a lot of people that are taking this course are probably interested in the internet marketing, make money online, business opportunity niche, but you may also be interested in the health, diet, weight loss, dating niche. Whatever your niche is, you can sort these marketplaces by what is the highest converting offer for that particular niche or topic. And then another really valuable resource that if you're you want some examples of product ideas that are successful and that people are buying, but you don't have much of a budget and you don't want to spend money to go through these funnels. There is a resource called wsodownloads.info/all, and that's free, and you can go there and download all these a lot of these successful products that are being launched, and you can go through and kind of see what kind of information is inside of those products to get some ideas. Now, you may not be the best presenter, but don't let that stop you. Just get started. I promise you'll get better in time if that's one of your limiting beliefs. And I know I was scared at first, but started out with short YouTube videos. I started with a YouTube channel, and I would use ScreenFlow, the same software that I'm using to record these videos. I would use ScreenFlow to edit out all my ahs and ums, and then I worked my way up to Udemy courses because they offered a free platform, and I was still too cheap to put my product ideas on ClickBank, and I thought it needed to know more. But once you go through enough courses, you'll figure out, hey, I've got a lot of information, I got a lot of knowledge, and I can give back to the community, and I actually know a whole bunch, and I know everything that I went through this course. I already know everything inside of it. So once you get to that point, you kind of run out of excuses. Don't let your equipment be your excuse. I know when I was first getting started, I wanted to have like the best equipment, and I didn't think I could have a YouTube channel because I didn't have the best webcam or I didn't have the best microphone, but I just got started. The information you have to share is the most important thing. So you don't have to have these beautifully polished videos and presentations to have a successful course and to get started. And I'm sure you're quite aware of that. I'm sure this isn't the only course that you've purchased, and some of the courses that you've been through, they've probably been amazing and have amazing content and have these beautiful presentations, but I'm sure some of them that you've purchased, you've gone through and you're like, wow, I could have done this, like I've got better equipment than this. So don't focus so much on the fact that you don't have the best microphone or you don't have the best this or that. If you have some information, it's valuable, it can help some people, just get started.